I'm playing hide and seek in these lunch boxes.
Hide and seek! That's so cool! Okay, you guys go hide and I'll count and then I have to find who is in which lunchbox. That sounds amazing! Okay, I'll close my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll add a little bit of interest to this game of hide and seek. Romeo! What have you done? Everything's super spooky! Yeah, you got that right. But wait, where are my friends? Oh, they're in there. Oh no, people at home! What did Romeo do? Let's just open up each lunchbox and see who's inside. Okay. Wait a minute. He wrapped our friends in Play-Doh? Wait a minute, what's going on? Let's unzip this Play-Doh and see who's inside. Is it Mr. Incredible? Owlette? Catboy? Oh my goodness. Who is it gonna be? Wait a minute. This doesn't look like any of our friends. Oh no! It's a scary ghoul! Wait a minute! Romeo changed all of our friends inside the lunchbox to scary ghouls and monsters? Oh no! Oh my goodness! People at home, what are we gonna do? Let's open up this one next. Oh my goodness, I have no idea who this is. I wonder who's in here. Okay, let's open up this surprise lunchbox. Oh boy, people at home. Who is this? Let's unzip it. Oh my goodness. Let's see who's inside. Oh, please let it be Mr. Incredible or Elastigirl. Oh, no way! It's Frankenstein! Oh my goodness! That means all of our friends are now monsters! Oh, Romeo, what did you do? Oh boy, people at home, which lunchbox should we open up next? Let's try the Cars lunchbox. Maybe it's not so spooky. Okay. Oh man, it's more Play-Doh. Okay, let's unzip it. Oh boy. Let's see who's inside. Oh, red. Okay, it looks like Owlette. That makes me feel better. Oh no! It's not Owlette at all! It's Dracula! Oh my goodness! All of our friends are monsters! Oh man! Okay, people at home, this is so spooky. Let's see who's inside this lunchbox. Oh boy. Okay. Some more Play-Doh. Oh boy. Who does it feel like? I don't know. Okay, let's unzip it. Okay. Maybe it's Catboy. Oh, okay, it's green. Okay, it's probably Gecko. No worries, no worries. Wait a minute, this doesn't look like Gecko. People at home, he's green, all right, but... That is definitely not Gecko! Oh, it's a scary monster! Oh my goodness! All of our friends are monsters! Now we have one more lunchbox to open. Okay, let's see who's inside. Okay, this doesn't look that scary. Let's unzip it. Oh boy, who is this? Who is this? Okay, green, okay. Okay, I feel better. Maybe this is actually Gecko. Let's take off this Play-Doh. Nothing to be scared of course. And another green monster! Oh my goodness! Oh man, people at home, what are we gonna do with all of these monsters? Oh no, people at home, how are we ever gonna change these monsters back to our friends? Wait a minute. What about the transforming tower? Okay, people at home, let's put these monsters in our transforming towers to see who they really are. Okay, we'll put Dracula right there. Ooh, the scary ghoul monster right there. And how about this creepy ghost right there? Okay, are you guys ready? Let's see who they are. Okay. Wow, look! Wow, that scary blue ghoul was really Catboy! I knew the transforming towers would work! Okay, let's see who's in here. Oh my goodness, I'm a little nervous. Is that? Yes, it's Gecko! That scary green monster was Gecko all along! Okay, people at home, who do you think is in here? Owlette! Dracula was really Owlette! Oh, that sneaky Romeo! He turned all of our friends into monsters, but we were able to turn them back. The question is, who's Mr. Incredible and who's Elastigirl? Okay, let's put Frankenstein in here. And let's put this, creepy green guy in here. All right, people at home, who do you think is Mr. Incredible? Let's see. Let's see if this is him. Oh no, it's Elastigirl. Woohoo! We're so glad to have you back. Woohoo!
Now, can someone please help me find my honey?
Yes, we will, Elastigirl, we will. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's Mr. Incredible! Oh, that sneaky Romeo turned all of our friends into monsters, but we were able to turn them all back. Woohoo! Wow, people at home, that was so much fun. What should we do to Romeo for turning all of our friends into monsters? We really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Halloween is on its way and I need the perfect prank for the PJ Masks. Oh wait, I got it. Be right back. I'll use my Scarinator 3000 to turn their transforming towers into terrifying towers. Oh. Got it. Perfect. I can't wait to see what these towers do to the PJ Masks now.
Wow, guys, that was so much fun today. Wait, is it just me, or have our transforming towers been spookified?
It definitely isn't just you, Catboy. These towers are terrifying. What happened? I don't know, but I feel like something's right behind me. Ah! Gecko, it was just a tree. It can't hurt you. Right. I know that. Just a tree. Just a scary tree with a spooky face and arms, but just a tree.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go inside the towers and see if I can figure out what's going on.
Catboy, I don't think that's the best idea. What if whoever did all of this on the outside also did something to the inside of our transforming towers? We don't know what would happen if we went in there. Yeah, who knows how many trees you'd find in there. I mean, scary things in there.
Well, there's only one way to find out. I have to go inside and take a look.
Good luck, Catboy. Yeah, good luck, Catboy.
Here I go. Whoa! Ooh! Ah!
I have a bad feeling about this, Gecko.
Whoa! What's happening? Whoa! Ow! Yowza! Woo! Ah! Woo!
Oh no, this can't be good. I bet he's seeing a lot of trees in there.
Okay, how do I look? It was a little spooky in there, but I think I turned out all right.
Ah! Alien!
Alien? Where? Actually, Catboy, it's you. You're the scary alien. Oh no! So whoever terrified the outside of the transforming towers also terrified the inside. It changes us into something terrifying. Oh no.
It looks like my Scarinator 3000 works even better than I'd planned for. Oh no.
Huh? What was that?
Oh no, the tree, it talks.
I don't think that's the tree, Greg. I recognize that laugh. I think there's something behind that tree. Come on out, Romeo.
So, PJ Masks, do you like the effects of my Scarinator 3000? It looks like Catboy really likes them.
Okay, Romeo, you've had your fun. Now turn the towers back to normal.
No. You won't be able to help the town if they're all terrified of you, which means I can do whatever I want. Hey, Romeo!
Greg, be careful.
Don't worry, I got this. Hey, Romeo! What? Watch out behind you. Huh? Ah! Got it. Okay, guys, watch out. I'm gonna fix it. Here I go. Here we go. Got it. Okay, guys, it's all fixed.
Ah, great job, Greg. You put it all back to normal. Connor, are you back to normal? Yep, I think so. But where's Romeo?
Ah! Wait, where'd everybody go?
Wow, that was so much fun watching the transforming towers get spookified.
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!